How to change country on SoundCloud. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change your country on SoundCloud, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to change our country on SoundCloud, all we have to do is just go ahead and first of all, let's say that you open up SoundCloud, it simply says not available in your region or whatever else. For that case, what we have to do is we have to install a VPN. So I like to do what is that if I want to download a USA VPN, I'll just select USA VPN and then download that VPN that is actually dedicated to that specific server. I don't like to download personally a multi VPN that will just give you all of the VPN services. I only like to download one specific. If I want to connect to Germany, I'll select Germany VPN and as such. So once you download a specific VPN of your desired name, just open them up. Now depending upon the type of app you have, it could be a free app, it could be a paid app. In my case it's free, it also has a paid version, but to use the free version I have to deal with the ads. So I'm just going to click on the connect button over here, and then once I click on the connect button, it may take some time to generate some configuration, and once it has generated the configuration, you'll be able to see that it has been successfully connected. Right now what you can do is you can just go ahead and search for SoundCloud, open it up and try to simply log in or create an account in that way, and then you should be able to change your country on SoundCloud. That's all it takes to change your country on SoundCloud. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.